Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 3 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is symmetry. And here are the list of the lesson which is line symmetry, count lines of symmetry, rotational symmetry, draw lines of symmetry. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using your email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there. Scroll to the grade 3. View all chapters. Here are list of the lessons. So we are on the last chapter that are the symmetry. Scroll to the grade 3. So let's start the very first lesson that is a line symmetry. So let's start the very first lesson that is a line symmetry. I was just checking my mic, okay? So what is the line symmetry? So here we go with it. Which picture has a symmetry? First of all, let me just guys tell you the symmetry. What is the meaning of the symmetry, and then we get start, okay? All right. So what is the meaning of the line symmetry? Symmetry is a basically like, for example, anything that is a reflection of the thing. Okay, so we can say that it's a symmetry. So when they are saying that the symmetry things, so we are basically exactly the similar part of facing each other or around an axis, something like around an axis. So you can say that it's the symmetry. Okay, for example, here if I'm going to draw this triangle, okay, and then just split it into the two equal parts. Okay, so here it's around the axis of the symmetry. All right, this is basically divided into two equal parts, so this is here the symmetry things. All right, so this is the shapes that are divided, identical halves along an imaginary lines, or you can say that this is the line and these are the identical shapes. This shape and this shapes are identical, these are the image of these shapes, then we can say that this is the symmetry. For example, like this is the shape here, and if we're gonna divide this shape like into the two equal halves like this way, I'm going to dividing here. Look, these are the two equal parts, these are the two equal halves of this way. So you can say that this is a basically the symmetry. Okay, symmetry is basically balance and proportionate similarities that is found in the two halves of an object. This is basically, it means like one half is the mirror image of the other half, like this is the image of that, because these both are same, okay, but are the opposite. Like this way is like opposite of these two, these are the image of, that's why we are saying that the image of the other one. So it's along the axis, so this is the way that is called the symmetry, and that this is called the line symmetry because it's around this line. So let's check. Look at here in the first bicycle, and here is the foot, and here is the given thing. When you're going to cut down into two equal parts, so this is basically the same, but when you cut down this one or this one, these are not the same. So this is the same, like look in both of it, like in this phase or like in this phase. Okay, these both are, this picture is same. Like for example, when you're going to draw this over there, let me just guide you then. For example, here is the circle shape of this now, and here it's removed. Okay, and then it's like this way. And this is like the shape of this way. Okay, when you're going to cut down into the two equal halves, like look this. So this one and this one are the same. These are the same, like along the one line axis. So you can say that this is the line symmetry. Look at here in all these. This is the now here are the shapes. Like when you cut down this one, so this is the head and this is the basically foot of this. This is different. Now here the shape of this line. So this is also the different. So when you cut this ribbon into the two equal parts, so this is the same, just like left or right. Parts are same for that. Okay. Now here first two are different. The one is same when you cut down into the two halves of that. Now let's check the test. As we already know this one, this is the ribbon that you are going to cut down into the two equal halves. So this is the part C. Which picture has a symmetry? Bicycle, foot, and the last one is here. Okay, so this is the part C. Which picture has a symmetry? Now look at here. In the first picture, when you cut down along the x-axis, when you cut down along like this way, so this is the symmetry. For example, here is the shape, like this is the shape of that. Okay, you're cut down like this way. All right, and this part should be same. So this part and this part should be same. Left and right, both the parts should be same in it. So this is the option. So here is the option A. All right, okay, now you guys tell me which picture has a symmetry. Check these three pictures. So which picture has a symmetry when you see the first one, second one, and third one? Parrot, fish, and here is the flower. So which one is the same symmetry? When you cut into option one, very good. Okay. Now tell me this one. Which picture has a symmetry? This is somehow, you can say that a different. Tell me now. See the options and then tell me the answer. There are the three options here now. All three figures are given. One of it saying it's option 3. Okay, option C. Remaining, good. This is the option C. Okay, let's do go with it. Which picture has a symmetry? Now check. This one. Which picture has a symmetry? Option 2 is wrong. Think about it. No, it's not option 1. Yes, it's option C. Look at here this ring ball. Like it's like in the shape of this way. For example, here is a circle, then it's a circle, then it's a circle, and then it's a circle. And from here, look at this one. It's like the shape of this. These, oh, sorry. These are unmatched. Let me just write it again. Like, for example, it's like in the shape of this way. This is, uh, this is a circle. Then this is an other circle. Okay. Then this is an other circle. And this is another circle. So when you cut down from here, like this way, okay, when you cut down, so this side and this side should be same. Like when we see the sides of this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this side, and look at here, this side, when you see only the part of this, so these both parts are same. Oops. Okay, look at here the parts. Now these two parts are same from that. That's why we're saying that option C. Now, which picture has a symmetry? Check it out, all of it, all these three, and then tell me the answer. Option A, B, or C? Okay. Most of it saying option B. Is it right? Yes, it's right. Which picture has a symmetry? Now check it out here. This is the house, then cat, and then it's a leaf. So which picture has a symmetry? Check it out, all of it, three, and then tell me. Why it's saying option one? Yes, it's option C. That is the right answer. Good. Good, everyone. Very well done. Which picture has a symmetry? Now check it out and then tell me. Okay, tell me the answer of this one. Okay, it's option B, like key. Okay, very well done. Which picture has a symmetry? Now it's again the same part of the previous. Check it out. It's the option A. Okay. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Okay. Regarding this lesson, now let's start the next lesson, which is count lines of symmetry. Now, how many lines of symmetry does this shape have? For example, now look at here. If I'm going to draw some shapes, like if I'm going to draw this triangle, okay? This triangle should not be cut down like in this way. Look, no. Why? Because this part and this parts are different. So the only line of symmetry for this shape is like here. Look, two equal parts now. Okay, it's on here. These are the two equal parts. This part and this part now. All right. So how many line of symmetry? This is one line of symmetry for this shape. Now let's see this pencil. There is a pencil, like for example, if you have a shape of like this way, they are saying that you are going to move it like this way. Here is the shape, okay? It's a given in the paper, like this one, okay? For example, so if we can say that this should be divided, this should be cut down like in this way. So look, this shape and this shape is different, so we are not going to cut down like this way. We are only basically the line of symmetry for this shape is this one, okay, from its center, like from its here. Why? Because look at here, the shape, this shape is like here in this way, and here is the from the circle, so it's only cut down from the middle of this. So we can say that this is the line of symmetry that is here, it's only one. Now look at here, this shape, is this any line of symmetry from this shape? No. Look, this is a somehow different shapes. For example, if you have a this shape, for example, if you have a this shape, is there any line? Oh yeah, it's have a line of symmetry. Like let's suppose something draw like for example this one. Is this shape any line of symmetry? No. When you are going to count down the line of symmetry of this one, this is here. Is it? No. Look at here. The shapes are different. When you are going to cut down like this way, it's again the different, because look, from this side and from this side these are not same. So we can say that no, there is no line of symmetry. So some of the figures which have basically not line of symmetry existable, okay? Now you guys tell me, is this line of symmetry exist? Tell me. Okay, now you guys tell me, is this line of symmetry existable? Yes. How is it possible? Is it like this way? No, this is not the line of symmetry. When you're going to cut down like from this way, okay? Look at here now. This part and this part, both the parts are same. So we are only, this is only one line of symmetry from this shape. We can say that, okay? For example, if I'm going to draw this shape, is this line of symmetry available? When you're going to cut down in this way, in from the middle, is it? No, because both parts are different. But when you are going to cut down like from top to bottom in this way, now look, both the parts, both the parts are basically, look at this part and this part. These two parts are same now, so we can say that only one line of symmetry is available. Only one line of symmetry. Okay, so here let's do the test questions and then you're more able to understand them. So look at here, how many lines of symmetry does this shape have? For example, here is the emoji face. Okay, here is the emoji face now here, and here are the two like Okay, it's the shape of like this way. When you are going to cut down of this, okay, when you are going to cut down this, all right, for example, I'm going to cut down like from top to this way. Is it possible line of symmetry? It's also in the center, no, but look at here, the eyes and the face are different. But when you are going to cut down from here, look, is it the same both sides? Yes, both sides are same. Okay, both sides should be same now. Both sides should be same here. When you're going to check it out, this side and this side, are these both same now? So we can say that yes, this is the line of symmetry which is existable. Okay, so it is only one line of symmetry, we can say that. Let's go with it. Okay, now here is the P. Look at here, this P shape. For example, when we are going to draw the P here. Okay, this is the P shape. When you are going to cut down this P from top to bottom, like from here, in this way, it's not available. When you are going to cut down like this way, this is also not the same. So we can say that no, there is no line of symmetry. Okay, so here it's not, zero line of symmetry exists. Now you guys tell, this is also, we already know it. This one here is the shape, let's draw. Okay, this is not a triangle, this is somehow a different of the triangle, like this side is greater, this side is somehow a less, and this, then these two combine with each other. Okay, so now check, when you are going to cut down from like this way, this is also not same. When you are going to cut down like this way, this is also not same. When you are going to, so like this way, this is also not same. So we can say that there is no line of symmetry from this shape because it's a different shape, one side is less and other side is greater. Okay, so there is the zero line of symmetry which is exists. Okay, all right, now let's do this one. This is also the same thing. So hope you guys understand the line of symmetry and different examples we are using here. So now you practice the lesson and then solve the rest of the test questions. Okay, rotational symmetry, third lesson. Which picture had sorry about that, I think there is no lesson, only the test questions are available. Now first of all, let me just tell you what is the rotational symmetry and then we solve the test. Okay, does this picture have a rotational symmetry? Rotation, look at here, according to their name, it's mean like the rotation, it means something like moving in the form of a rotation. Okay, and they are saying that we are just going to check it out how many this picture have a rotation here. Look at here, now in the rotation, for example, in the rotation we can see that only we can see only uh, two or three things, which is, let me just write it down here. Okay, so the rotational symmetry, what does it mean? It means that something like rotation, something like moving. Okay, like from, it's moving from up to down, it's moving from this side to this side. For example, here is a square and it should be cut down into the four equal parts. Okay, like look at here, these parts are all same, and here it's written 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, now how the rotation is possible? For example, this is your E is here now, so after the rotation the picture is same, because look, all parts are same now. Okay, like all the parts are same, all the things are same, Picture should be same, but now this E is moving from this point to this point. Now after that, this E is moving from this point to some another point. Like when you are going to check this point to some other, so which point is now? First of all, it's on the first point. Now it's on the third position. First it's in first position, then it's second position, now it's on third position. After that, it's on fourth position in the next figure. So this is the rotation that is existable. So here 1 2 3 4. Now here it's 1 2 3 and 4. Now here it's 1 2 3 and 4. After that, it's like moving in this way. This is the meaning of the rotational symmetry. Like it's the rotation, okay, from the figures like 90-degree turns, 180-degree turns, like in this way. You just basically count down its rotation. It's like in moving like this way. Okay, so this is the meaning of rotation. Now look at here, the figure is same. So these are all same. This is, if this is rotation that is occur here, same figures are the rotations occur here. Okay, so now look at this figure. Is there any rotational symmetry from this figure? Look, now you guys tell me the answer of this. Is there any rotational symmetry available? Yes or no? Now check in this second figure. First figure is good, that is rotational symmetry is available. Now tell me from the second figure. No. Okay. Look at here in this one. Which picture has a rotational symmetry in all of it? There are three figures now. Okay. So in all of it, which figure has a rotational symmetry? Good. It's an option one. Okay. The first figure shows the rotational symmetry from that. Now let's do the test questions. You guys tell me the answer of these test questions. Does this picture shows the rotational symmetry? Okay, someone says yes or someone says it's no. Why it's no? Look at here, it's a round shape, but the inside of it, when you see the inside of this, so most of it, like when we see that figure, okay, let's see the figure of this. So when you see it inside of this, inside is same, there is a circle, and here the inside of it is like this way. Okay, inside of this figure is this one. So now you guys tell me, is this the same when it's rotation? Look at here, when the rotation is occur, okay, here is the rotation that is occur here, and it's moving. Now check, is it the same? No, it's not the same. Okay, because look, this one, and this one is a different. So this one, and this one is also the different. Only the circle is same. All right, so we can say that this is no. Answer is no. Now, which picture has a rotational symmetry? Look at here in all of it and then tell me in option A, there is a rotational symmetry, in option B, or in option C. Tell me the answer of this one. Okay, it's an option C. Let's see. Option C is right answer. This is the right answer, okay? Now, does this picture have a rotational symmetry? Now you guys tell me. First of all, check outside and check inside and then just tell me, is this picture have a rotational symmetry? Okay, it's yes. Most of the students says it's yes. So the answer is yes. It's good. Okay. Which picture has a rotational symmetry? Now see the figures. There are three figures that are available: the hand, the pen, and then the circle. And inside of the circle, there is a square. So, in which one shows the rotational symmetry? It's an option C. Okay. So now check. Does this picture have a rotational symmetry? Yes, it says. We already know this one. So which picture has a rotational symmetry? See the figures and then tell me. It's an option A. Okay. Why it's not option C? Because in the option C, the figure is different, okay? And in the option B, it's also here is one arrow when you're going to move this arrow from top to bottom, so it's a different. Okay, but when you are moving the first figure, so it's not like from top to bottom, bottom to left, left to right, so this is same. So we can say that it's an option A. Which picture has a rotational symmetry? See the option A, B, or C. It's the eye shape in the second. In the first one, it's just a shape of flowers, and in the third one, it's like a different shape. Why it's option B? Why it's option B and C? Tell me everyone why it's option B and C. Look at here in the option B and look at here in the option C. Yes, it's an option A. Because look at here in the option A, it's a round shape. Okay, and all the shapes are same and you're going to move from left to right, right to left, in all of it. Okay, the shape is same. Here, like it's the shape, for example, it's the shape here now, this one, then this and this, then this and this. Okay, it's the same in all of it. So we can say that sorry, it's the same in all of it. But when you can say that this is the eye shape, it's given here, the eye shape as well. Okay, this is a basically the eye shape. They are saying that it's available here. When you're going to move this eye shape from this to this point, so now the point is different. Here the dot is now here, the dot is now here. There is no dot top, bottom, or left. There is only the one dot that is available, so we can say that it's no. Only the shape which is rotational symmetries occur, which is option A, that is here. Does this picture have a rotational symmetry? Now you guys check it out. Is this picture have a rotational symmetry, yes or no? Tell me the answer of this one. So does this picture have a rotational symmetry? Check it out everyone. It's yes or no? Okay, most of it saying no. Everyone tell me in the chat. All right, good. It's no. Which picture has a rotational symmetry? Three figures are given. Which one has a rotational symmetry? It's not the line symmetry, it's just a rotational symmetry they're talking about. One saying it's one. Other student also tell me what is the rotational symmetry in all of it. It's option A or option C. And if they're talking about the line symmetry, then what's the answer for that? It's option C, okay? But here is a rotational symmetry, so we go with the option A. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions regarding this lesson by yourself. Now let's discuss the last lesson of the day, which is draw the line of symmetry. Symmetry. This is only the tutorial only, okay? So let me just tell you like how to draw the line symmetry of this. So look at here. Draw all the lines of the symmetry of this shape. So look at this shape. This is the shapes, different shape, like it's the shape of the W. So like here it's the shape. Okay. So here's the shape. Okay, now they are saying that find the line of the symmetry of this shape. When we see that here is the line of the symmetry, how is it which kind of line of symmetry is possible? Okay, so which kind of line of symmetry is possible for this W? Look, when you're going to divide it by liking like this way, is it both same? Check. No, this is not the same for that. When you're going to divide over like this way, okay, looking at like this way, look at like this way. So this side and this side should be the same. So we can say that only one line of symmetry is available for this. Now it is for M. This is only again the one. Now this is the half of the circle here. Half of the shape circle here. This is like this way, and then it's like the shape of this way. So it's only like cutting like that. Okay, not only from along the axis, it's like on the bottom from that. All right. Okay, now you guys tell me, is this line of symmetry available? How is the line of symmetry? Like this way. Okay, the only the option is available. It's one line and its line is like over that. This side and this side should be the same thing. Okay, so we can say that the yes of this, and here is the basically thing which is the line of symmetry. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So today we covered the grade 3 maths symmetry chapter, and here are the list of the lessons. Today we covered line symmetry, count lines by symmetry, rotational symmetry, and draw the lines of symmetry. You find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their passwords and the email that are provided by the administrator. So before starting the next session, you guys make sure to practice all this. If you still need any help in any of the questions, you can contact tutors by using this live chat button, which is available on your A plus website. Putting your department that in which thing you need help with maths or language. Okay, select it from there, putting your name and then just send. In this way, you contact with the tutors. So for now, have a great day, you all. Bye.